Understanding Raccoon in the Attic, a guide to figurative language. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, raccoon in the attic. While it might sound straightforward, there's more to it than meets the eye. This expression offers a fantastic opportunity to explore figurative language and the richness of English expressions. Let's get started. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning of raccoon in the attic. A raccoon is a medium-sized mammal native to North America known for its dexterity and intelligence. An attic is a space found below the roof of a house. So, when we talk about a raccoon in the attic, we're literally referring to the animal finding its way into this upper part of a house, often becoming an uninvited guest. However, the phrase, raccoon in the attic, is often used figuratively. In this sense, it can symbolize a problem or issue that is hidden or ignored but has the potential to cause significant trouble if not addressed. The raccoon represents the problem, and the attic symbolizes the hidden or ignored aspect of the situation. It's a reminder that what is out of sight should not be out of mind. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can add depth to your communication. You might say, "We need to deal with the raccoon in the attic before it's too late," when talking about a problem at work that has been overlooked but could escalate. It's a metaphorical way of highlighting the importance of addressing issues before they become bigger problems. The expression, raccoon in the attic, is particularly resonant in cultures familiar with raccoons and the concept of an attic, mainly in North America. It taps into the shared understanding of raccoons as clever, sometimes troublesome animals that find their way into places they don't belong. This shared cultural knowledge makes the metaphor more impactful. We hope this exploration of raccoon in the attic has illuminated not just the meaning of this phrase but also the beauty and complexity of figurative language in English. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and images those words can convey. Keep an eye out for those raccoons in your attic, both literally and metaphorically, and you'll be navigating the English language with even greater finesse. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.